how to add products in WooCommerce, bulk and manual step-by-step tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add products to a WooCommerce store. So let's get started. First, what you guys can do is you can go to woocommerce.com and sign up to create your own store. Or if you are using WooCommerce with your WordPress, then you will open up your WooCommerce store, your plugin on your WordPress. So that's what I do. You can see this is our WordPress. I just installed the plugin and I'll show you how to add products manually and bulk products on WooCommerce. So let's get into the process. First of all, you're going to go to the WooCommerce plugin right here and you can click on Home. Once you click on Home, it'll show you to add the product and you're going to click on Add Products. Now we have different types. We have start with a template. Use a template to add physical, digital, and variable products. Add manually. For small stores, we recommend adding products manually, like one by one. And then we have import via CSV. This is where we can add bulk products. For large stores, we recommend importing all products at once via CSV file. And this is what we will cover today. Then we have import from another service. So if you already have products on any other service, for example, I use Shopify as well. So I can import my products from there. If I use D-Stores and I'm getting my products from AliExpress, then I can just import my products really easily. So first of all, let's go with the add manually. I'm going to choose the second option and it will allow me to add a new product. All right, so here we have to enter a new product. For that, you can see we have different options. Let's get started. First, we have to enter a product name. So for me, the product name is a yellow hoodie. This is my new product. Then moving on, we have description. In description, we can enter a description for the product that we have added. For example, yellow hoodie, and I can write any description here. We can also embed a media into our description. For instance, I can add a video or a picture of my product onto my description right here. Moving on, we have product data. Now this is where we have to enter the price for our product that we have. First, select what kind of product it is. If it's going to be a simple product, if it's a grouped product, variable product, or an affiliate product. So it's a simple product that I sell. This is really important. If it's a virtual product or a downloadable product, then you're going to select these options, because if you select downloadable or virtual, that means we will not be shipping the product, it will be downloaded. So that kind of we don't have to then add the shipping details right here. But for me, it's a physical product. I will be adding my shipping details. So in general, we have regular price and a sale price. So it's in dollars right here. So my product is actually let's say it's $30, and in sale we are giving it for $25. So this is the price for my product. You can just click on save. Then I'm going to move on to the inventory. Inventory has SKU of the product, and then we have stock status. So if it's in stock, you're going to select it. If it's out of stock or on back order, in manual, you will have to add everything by yourself. So in SKU, you can just enter your stock keeping unit, a unique identity for each of the distinct product and service that can be purchased. Then we have sold individually. So if there is a limit per order, then you can enter this option, which is going to be limit purchases to one item per order. Moving on, we have shipping. Now in shipping, again, you have to enter your weight, dimension, and your shipping class. For weight, you can enter the weight for your product. You will enter the length, width, and height. And then we have a shipping class. So you can enter what shipping class you are looking for the product. Moving on, we have linked products. Now this is for the upsells and cross sells. If you have any upsells products, upsells are products which you recommend instead of the currently viewed product. For example, products that are more profitable or better quality or more expensive. So if you have such kind of product, you can recommend it to your user. Or we also have cross sells. Then we have attributes. In attributes, we can add the variety of products that we have. For example, click on add and it will allow you to add a value, and you will be able to add a attribute to your product. Variations. Let's say we have color. So in color, I can add maybe yellow. And then what we're going to do is we're going to separate them like this. This is where you add your product variation. And then you're going to enter the colors. Click on save attributes and your attributes will be saved, and it will show you the different attributes your product is available in the form of a drop down. Moving on, we have advanced. In advanced, we have purchase note, menu order. Purchase note is going to be thank you. And then we have get more options. In get more options, you can go ahead and enhance your product more by going to the extensions that are available with WooCommerce. So if you do not want to go for a paid extension and you want to keep it simple, then you can leave this option. But if you're looking for more and you want to add more extensions, then you can enhance your products by browsing the marketplace. So these are the simplest thing that you will be adding for your product on WooCommerce. Now at this side of the screen, we have publish options, product image. You have to set a product image. I'm going to click on select file and select a file from my computer. So this is my product image. I'm going to click on set product image. Here again, I can add all text. We have captions, descriptions, and more. So I'm going to click on set product image. It will be set. Then we have product gallery. So if you want to add more than one images, then you can enter a product gallery. Then we have category. Let's create a new category for the products, and it's going to be winter. And I'm going to click on add new category and it will be created. So now it's under the winter category on my store. Product tags. If you want to add any tags, yes, I do want to add some tags. So I'm going to go for a tag winter. Let's create another one, which is going to be hoodies, because I have other products too, like shirts. So I'm going to add them under the tags of winter and hoodies. Yeah. Okay. So these are some of my tags that I wanted to create. Once you're done with the product and you feel like, okay, it's looking good, we can get a preview. Click on preview and it'll show you your product inside your store, how your product looks. So this is what my product looks like. We have our product image. It is yellow hoodie. It's on sale. It was $30. Now it's $25. We have our to cart button, category winter tags, and then this is what it looks like. Very simple. And we have added a product. With WordPress, it actually becomes more easier. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you back to my products right here, and we're going to click on publish and my product will be published. This is how you can add a manual product on WooCommerce. Let me show you how to add bulk products. So you can see we have add new and then we have import. To add a bulk product, you can click on import. Import products from a CSV file. Choose your file from here. And the file will be uploaded. Then you're going to click on continue. The next step is going to be the column mapping. Click on import and your products will be imported with WooCommerce. So this is how we will add the products in bulk. You can add up to hundreds of products with a CSV file. All you need to do is just click on add product and then select CSV file and you will be able to do so. After that, we can also perform bulk actions. For example, to edit, click on bulk actions, click on edit, and it allows you to edit a lot of products at the same time, and you will be able to add products, edit them with the bulk actions right here on WooCommerce. So yeah, it's very easy to add a bulk product. Just click on import and you will be able to import a CSV file from your computer. You can also import this list from any other platform if you want. So the first step is, of course, you can see upload a CSV file. Then there is column mapping, import, done, and you are good to go. You will have bulk products added to your WooCommerce. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.